I knew something was fishy. No wonder the fight ain't been finalized yet. Just saw it on Blue Blood's channel that Errol Spence having second thoughts, thinking about backing out of the Mikey Garcia fight. See, we forgave you for being afraid of Terrence Crawford. Him and Lomachenko are the best two fighters in the world. That's understandable. You said you was scared of Terrence Crawford. We understand that. We forgave you. You say you're going to fight Mikey Garcia. But if you back out of the Mikey Garcia fight and fight an old retired exterminator like Luis Collazo, you ain't gonna be able to walk the streets of Dallas, bruh. And that's your hometown. You're not even gonna be able to walk the streets of Dallas, Texas. Not damn day you gonna be able to walk them streets. So yeah, I just saw this, man. I saw the video. Errol Spence having second thoughts. What the second thoughts? Against a man coming up 2 weight classes? 2 weight class, you gonna outweigh Mikey Garcia by damn near 30, 40, 50 pounds? Second thoughts? See, this is why this fight haven't been finalized yet. They talking about it, but we ain't heard nothing. The fight is not finalized. And apparently rumors on the street is Errol Spence having second thoughts according to Mikey Garcia. Mikey Garcia out here saying Errol Spence having second thoughts about fighting him. See, you cannot turn down a Terrence Crawford fight and a Mikey Garcia fight to fight Luis Collazo. The fans ain't going to give you a pass, but if you turn down a Terrence Crawford fight to fight Mikey Garcia, that's understandable. Mikey Garcia is a top pound-for-pound fighter, so we'll forgive that. But you can't sit up here and turn down both fights. You going to smell like you wearing that sweet-ass perfume called you know what. But yeah, y'all let me know what you think. Apparently, Mikey Garcia is out here saying that Errol Spence is having second thoughts about fighting him. Let me know what you guys think. Drop me your comments, hit that like button, and subscribe. I'm out.